What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushy S, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Welcome back to the home of jump rope fitness and lifestyle people. Today we have another fire 2-minute skipping tutorial for you. If you know this series, we get 2 minutes on the clock. I'll probably go a little bit over it, but you get a ton of value because today I'm sharing with you 3 key footwork patterns, all related to the hop method. It's something that I've shared with you before in depth with the kind of Mayweather style, but I'm gonna show you 3 variations of this cool move. Remember, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, guys. Join us. We're the hottest fitness community growing across the world. We're backed up by the #1 skipping ropes on the internet. Hit the links down below. Get 10% discount, use Rush10, and we're also available on most major Amazons, all right? Today I'm using an Nova rope, by the way. Not out yet, will be out very soon, so subscribe to our newsletter to get first access and discount. So we're gonna get straight into this. 2 minutes gonna start right now. The hop method, all right? Now I've done this so many times in the past. Beginners out there, you'll know you've actually already done this footwork probably. When you first pick up a rope, you see kind of beginners sometimes doing this. It looks kind of booky and awkward, but actually this is the footwork, okay? So what I'm gonna teach you today is basically do this with a side swing, and we're gonna kind of stay on the balls of our feet, keep the heels off the floor. And all it is, guys, is that you're taking off with your stronger foot. That's what this kind of gallop or hop does, is you take off with your stronger foot. In my case, is the right foot. You land on your left for a brief second, and then plant the right foot again. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Alternatively, you could take off with your left foot, and it will look like this. But it's a very slight little adjustment. And all we're gonna do now is join it with the side swing. So 1, 2, open and hop. And what you're doing is you're sort of bracing yourself to jump through the rope. So it's gonna be left side, right side, hop it, okay? So I expect you guys to know how to do the side swing already. Loads of tutorials on that. And when you come into this move, it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And try and get yourself to kind of use this number counting method to get the rhythm right. It's really important your posture is good. You don't want to be too upright when you're doing this. It'll look a little bit awkward. You're gonna feel like you're kind of in an active or kind of a ready stance, all right? Imagine you look like a boxer or something. When you watch Mayweather do it, he's crouching a little bit. He's just, yeah, looking like he's about to explode. And that's what's gonna make this look really nice. The second variation, guys, is we're gonna try and team this up now with a cross, like a side swing cross. Now to do this, it's the same sort of method. We're gonna hop through each side swing cross. And this is gonna look really nice. So it's 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I don't want you to go too quickly. I want you to feel this rhythm first. So it's here, hop it. Brace yourself, hop it. So you have to feel this little pause in between each move. If you feel that pause, pause, pause. It should then come naturally. Don't feel like you need to rush this. When you get better and quicker, you know, the first move, you spring it, second move, and then you can make it look super nice and effortless. Third and final variation, guys, most advanced one, okay, is the southpaw side swing with the hops, okay? Now, this one definitely engages the sort of fast twitch muscles, your plyometrics. It works like this, okay? So we're gonna keep this hop motion going, and we're just gonna open it from one side. So go to your dominant side, and what you're trying to do is making sure that when you open this rope out, so for me, I'm opening it with my right hand, so I go to my left, right arm just fires open, okay? Go get that whip. Once you get that whip, time it, and we do that hop. So it's hop it, open, right? Okay, so take it slowly first. Here, always keep that right arm turning over, just exaggerating the movement here. Make sure you stay on the balls of your feet, then increase the speed. You see? Once you can get this one done, people, you've got everything in the locker you need for the hop variation or the pattern. Really nice move, really allows you to kind of get through different types of combinations. And like I said, engages those fast twitch muscles, gets you feeling explosive and really transferable to all kinds of sports. If you play football, tennis, basketball, whatever it is, the coordination is really, really nice. So probably went over the 2 minutes as always, but hopefully you got a ton of value. Please give this video a big thumbs up. That'd be super helpful for me, allow this community to grow, this channel to grow, and hopefully reach more people and get them using this thing, all right? This is gonna change your world, your cardio, your lifestyle, your mental health, everything, your physical. So keep supporting the journey, hit the links again, support us, get yourself some super cool merch. And yeah, man, keep flying boss out there. I'll see you in the next video as always. Take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe. Peace.